In this tutorial, I will show you how to put your SIM card into Huawei P20. So let's do it. So first you need to extract the slot from your phone. To do that, just open the box and here is the pin. And now put your pin into the hole and push it like this. Remove the slot. So this is a dual SIM model, and here you can put the first SIM like this, and if you want to put another SIM you can put it here like this, and also now you can put here your micro SD card. And now let's put inside the slot with your SIM like this, just push it, and now you can power on your phone. Now to remove the SIM card, just power off your phone, put again the pin into the hole and push it like this, and remove the slot, and that's it. So this was my short tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next.